Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. Today we will make some beautiful hairstyles. So after tying the hairs, divide the hairs in the two parts as shown in the video. After separating the parts, now we will tie the one part of the hair using the rubber band and we will tie another part as well. This hairstyle is best suited for the long hairs as it's quite easy and not so much of time consuming. You can call it easy and go to party bun as it's quite very easy. Now after tying the hair, we will fix them onto alternative sides as shown in the video. Now after fixing it, again take the leftover hairs and fix on the alternative side. And after fixing the hairs, we will take a beautiful hair pin and fix it on the bun. And your hairs are ready to go. Flaunt your hairstyle and be confident. Next, we will make a beautiful bun, tie a ponytail and then pull the hairs from the up as shown. Now after that, we will separate the hairs in two ways and then rotate it as shown in the video. Now pull the hairs from the sides. After that, we will fold the hairs to make a bun. Now fold the hairs and put a hair bun pin on the hairs and your bun is ready to flaunt. Next, we will make a very beautiful bun. First, tie the little part of the hairs and rotate it as we are doing. Now tie all the hairs and make three parts out of it. Now take one part and rotate it. Now make braids out of two parts as shown in the video. After that, tie all of them together and then we will put a hairpin in it and rotate it and fix it in the hairs upside. And your beautiful bun is ready. Next, we will make a bun. Tie a ponytail and uplift the hairs and put a hairpin on it as shown. Now tie the hairs from the downside, roll it inside and fix it using a hair bun clutch and your beautiful bun is ready. Thanks for watching.